Picture someone you view as successful and understand the only way they got there was a strategic action plan. Most people let life happen to them. That's a fact. But why is this? I would attest it's because they don't have a plan. Life without a plan for success is planning a life void of success. I'll read that again. Life without a plan for success is planning a life void of success. Think about it like this. You're a treasure hunter. You're about to take an expedition to a remote island in search of a treasure that will fulfill all your needs and desires for the rest of your life. Do you go to that island without a map and just wing it? No, of course you don't. Every treasure hunter in every treasure hunting movie always has a map with X's, pinpointing the steps they need to take to reach the chest of gold. Life is the same way. Step one, set your vision. Write out your dream life. Not to make more money and be famous, but what does the detail of your days look like? Where do you live? Are you married? What are your kids doing? What does a day in the life really look like to you? Most people don't get that far. The treasure hunter knows where the chest of gold is, but he must first hit the X's on the map in order to unlock the next clue for how to get to the gold. Step number two, what are the X's you must first reach in order to get to your life vision goal? For example, if I were to say, I want to be a CEO, my X's would look something like this. X number one, get your foot in the door with the desired company. X number two, meet as many people as possible in the company and the industry. X number three, work for 10 plus years and do great work. And X number four, leverage your work experience and relationships to either become CEO of the current company or hire a headhunter to place you with another company. This is called having a strategic action plan for your life. The plan might change, it might shift, and that's okay. The X is never quite where the treasure hunter thinks it's going to be. Adaptability with the plan. That's the secret sauce. So gain confidence today knowing that if you are tired of just letting life happen to you, you can take control of your future. Create your strategic action plan today and start creating your life by design. Now, my wife and I, we just got back from Maui. We start every year off in Maui. It's just such a refreshing, recharging way to start the year. But what I've been using, meat that I have been eating for the past 6 months and been absolutely obsessed with, comes from Maui. Maui Nui venison. They have delicious ground meat, organ blends, a variety of steak cuts, rib chops, jerky. It's very lean too, and I'm big on staying in the best shape I can possibly be in. And sometimes the beef will have a lot of fat in it, but Maui Nui venison, extremely lean, healthy, all just amazingly raised in Maui access deer. So what they're doing it too is giving my listeners, you all, a great deal to go try it out. And the code is NURSE for 20% off. Go to Maui Nui, Nui, venison.com. Check it out. There's great meat in there. You'll get addicted like I have. And it's also a great gift to get people too. So check it out, MauiNuiVenison.com, 20% off with the code NURSE. And if you get it, let me know. Love to hear about your experience.